You're in your sheet and you want to disable autofill, and specifically that's this suggestion when we put in a formula here equals maybe sales times 0.2, and we hit enter, and it suggests this autofill, and it says autofill suggested autofill, and we either have to enter, click the check arrow, command enter, or exit and reject this suggestion. What if we don't want the suggestion at all in any way, shape, or form? Here's where we disable it. Go up to the menu bar, Tools, Suggestion Controls, and the very first one up at the top is Enable Autocomplete, and it has a checkbox next to it. Uncheck that or click it, and we can go back to Tools, see that suggestion is unchecked. Now that autofill will not be suggested.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.